Welcome to the Wyze Lockbolt V2 installation video. Let's walk through this together so we can upgrade your door. All right, first things first, remove your old boring deadbolt. Start by removing the screws from the deadbolt plate. Once those are out, you can pull apart the interior and exterior plates. After that, slide the old deadbolt out. Grab the size and dimension guide from the box and place it against your door. You'll need these measurements to pick the right screw lengths later and make sure everything's compatible. Now grab the included deadbolt and slide it into the hole in your door. If it doesn't reach the center of the larger cutout, don't worry. Just twist the deadbolt to extend it. Make sure the top label is facing up. Once it's sitting correctly, use the two short screws to secure it in place. Grab the exterior assembly and take off the protective cover from the tailpiece. Feed the tailpiece and cable through the deadbolt mechanism. The cable should slide right underneath and the tailpiece should slide right through the center hole. Separate the interior assembly from the mounting plate, then hold the mounting plate against the inside of your door. Insert the little positioning plug into the hole. That ensures everything lines up nicely. Now pick the correct screw length based on your door's thickness and use the long screws to attach the interior mounting plate to the exterior assembly. Remove the positioning plug and double-check that the tailpiece is centered and the mounting plate is straight along the edge of your door. Connect the cable to the back of the interior assembly. Match up the red lines and make sure everything is snug. Hold the interior assembly against the door and line up the screw holes. Remove the battery cover. Use the 3 small screws. One goes into the bottom and the other 2 go into the sides. Drop the included AA batteries into the compartment from the top down. Make sure the ribbon is laying flat underneath so you can swap them out easily. Tap the setup button to start the setup process. Then slide the battery cover back on. That's it. Nice work. You just installed your Wyze Lockbolt V2.